thrilling content there. This is where we don't have as many views as Simon.
I turn up and get criticised for having my breakfast at 11:30 because it's the first thing I do.
You'll be on strike in a minute.
I think we'll need a catch up of what's been done, Nick, because it's been a while since we last saw it because we're useless at filming progress, really.
Yeah. I don't know.
First of all, it looks like a fucking Land Rover. Look at that. Yeah, what was it last time? Last time we failed to start it.
Yeah. That runs.
Now it's
Penny bodywork.
What 5 starter motors?
Yeah, 5 starter motors. Seat box.
Is that what it was? So it was the...
No, it was the Earth's.
Oh yeah.
And a dodgy starter, I think. New toolbox. Been underneath there. He's been done. Floor's in. Seat box is in. All of this stuff's in. Change all the oils. This is on, although this is coming back off because this roof is separated. Just come away here, and it's covered in bathroom sealant.
Okay, nice.
To whip that off. Oh, and some new wheels. New wheels on my wagon.
They look much better than they did.
Yeah, the old ones are in the corner. They're not good at all.
Yeah, it should be cream, shouldn't it? The
Yeah,
green ones are nice,
so.
but
I couldn't get any cheap enough proper series ones, which I would like. But these are better than what I've got.
Nice.
So
the plan is now to fire it up.
yeah, I'm gonna shove some water in it. Fire it up and
Watch it set on fire.
yeah. See?
You started for a little while.
Sounds like an excuse already.
Oh, I need a key. Right, I don't know if it'll need choke or not, but let's just see.
It's in gear or not?
Yeah, I've just checked. Should be alright.
Yeah, we put it in gear.
Good choke.
It's also give it a little bit of.
Sounds like lovely now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it was just like earth last time.
Yeah, it's a combination of a couple of things. I don't know if I can't. Oh, maybe I'll just do it with a bit of throttle that way.
Battery might not be any good actually. I'll get the big one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember you saying it'll turn over instantly, so
Well,
at least it turns over, but it didn't start.
Yeah, well, this battery's a dodgy one. Let's just make sure I've not done anything stupid as well, should we?
Highly likely.
It's highly likely, isn't it? It's harder than that.
That battery should be.
Yes, it's
Spinning
a lot of fuel going in. Might whip the plug out, have a look.
It's not been the best start, it's flooded it.
That'll be right.
Yeah, that plugs out.
It's the idle on this is really rich. So I think choke might have been a
bad decision. Where are they looking?
It stinks.
A little bit, yeah.
Do you want to do this, Charlie? You're going to need to practice for when we go out.
I've had my fair share of practice of unflooding engines and taking plugs in and out. I'll try again.
this one's dodgy.
On the button, my ass.
Huh?
On the button, my ass.
Doesn't have a button.
There's the button, I'm looking at it. That's staying, right, when it's finished? That's your key.
Well, no, the key's going to be inside.
No, we're using the screwdriver from now on, mate.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's
How did you get this in here?
It's quite fit.
Mate, do you need a bit of this?
Yeah.
Instant mousels.
Yeah, that'll go.
That's it.
Good enough.
Like a glove.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's alright.
I think he's worried about it.
It's kicking back a fair bit.
Is that my key?
It is burning a little
on the
bit.
fucking plate now.
Yeah, on there.
Yeah.
Pull down the key.
That's the problem, that was.
Yeah, I might want to check the ignition timing.
Turn the light.
You had to start it when I wasn't filming. It worked. It sounds alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's stone cold. It sounds lovely.
Oh, what's the date here?
It is mint.
Particularly like that rattle on the roof. That mate.
3,000 miles staying back, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll take it to around 20 and then bin it. So the scrappy. Good work.
The babe.
Stop calling it fucking babe. See the difference in the paint job? It's much more. About to get run over by the champ. First drive in however many years. That's backwards.
You hear that clutch is a bit squeaky?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, still a bit sticky.
Yeah. You probably just need to drive up and down the road.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's still one of my favourite features. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's sticking a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, clutch is a bit sticky still.
Freed off before though.
It's a bit better until then.
Yeah. Stuck in high range. Reverse is fine.
Thank God.
Oh, handbrake was on.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Not on very much.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah, that's alright. Okay. not a great turning circle.
Not bad though. So
Can you give a pull that back? Pull the red lever back with the clutch in.
No, it's still stuck.
Still stuck.
Got it freed up.
Yeah. Got it in neutral, so. Whoa, there's no range. The other one's four-wheel drive, no range. If you push that down, it should stay down, and then yeah. Oh, that's attached now. Yeah, fine. That's low. WD-40. Yeah, I'll just WD-40 the crap out of it. Yeah. So this is sticky. This is sticking. I'll do some underneath as well. Ooh, it's not a good turning circle. Whoa, I've got power steering right now.
Gates are closing as well.
Hey?
Gates are closing as well.
What is that, third? It's like stirring coal.
This is the view for 16 hours when we go to France. Fucking hell, that turning circle is shite.
Oh yes, what a babe!
What a machine!
What a machine!
Fucking hell, definitely gonna need some padding.
We are, yeah. If I turn around.
Just go up the hill. Send it.
I'll turn around here. There's no turning.
Oh shit, go ahead then. Fucking rebel.
I think that's gone well. Oh, synchromesh of awful years.
Fucking hell.
What a babe.
First test drive done.
Success.
Look at that. Nailed it. Oh god.
Nothing wrong with that, is there?
In pieces in a paddling pool 6 months ago.
Well, it's, yeah, front half of a chassis in a paddling pool. No rear half of a chassis. Rusty axles. Engine under a plastic bag. Yeah.
And then, yeah, 2 minute up and down the road 6 months later.
The engine was under.
For those that have seen the other videos that we've done, the plan for this Landy was, initially, on the Freetech series, the first round in Spain, to drive it. How many miles was it that we were gonna...
It's quite a lot.
Like
1,600 miles.
1,600 miles in this Landy with the race bike on the back. Do the 8-hour endurance race and then drive back in it. But
I don't see what your problem is.
well, the first problem is you can't fucking get it out high range. Oh, you can now, you freed it.
Yeah, it works. It's fine.
The second was that race has now been cancelled in Spain for round one.
That is a problem.
But that's the biggest problem. So now we're going to take it to Biarritz to Wheels and Waves. On the button. Once we clear all that shit out and put cheese of mine in it. How's it going, Nick?
Yeah, alright. I got covered in white stuff.
Not for the first time.
flushing out all of the
Semen.
foam now, I guess. Flushing out all the flush. Great.
Good biscuits there.
Yeah, I'll do biscuits.
Someone's fucking happy with it. Nice. Tea time.